Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create end game animation, like when you probably most of you guys played the pillars and know this end animation when you dancing with someone. So that's what we'll be doing today, like not dancing but just end screen. So as you see, I'm with my friend right now and we are both two players, me and her, and when I kill her, boom, I get teleported to the end screen, and as you see, you can really manipulate with that, add some dances or whatever, change scenography, whatever you want with this end screen. I will show you how to make system for it, how like I can fly to this. Okay, maybe I'll run to UEFN. As you see, this you have this scene. You can do it whatever you want. Put some dancing rat near player or whatever. And you can also manipulate where player need to be teleported, if in flying or whatever. It's really, you know, the imaginary is the only block for you. So yeah, that's what we'll be doing in today's video. I hope you guys will enjoy this video and learn something and find this also helpful. You can leave a like and subscribe, and let's get into this video. Okay, so I'm in UEFN right now, and let's go to our Verse Explorer and create a Verse file. So create a new Verse file and select the Verse device, and let's name it maybe End Animation System or whatever you want. I don't really have the name for it, so I will name it like that. Okay, and let's bring our VS Code here. Let's delete useless comments that we don't actually need. And okay, let's start with the variables and devices. So the first variable that we need, which will be the editable, because this will be just easier for you guys to set it up, and it will be the cinematic play time, which will be type float, and I will put 5 seconds. So this is basically the time, like when the cinematic show and time between show and stop. You know what I mean, like the animation duration of the showing the player. Okay, next is editable and end game def. So end game device. So basically we don't want to end game like automatically with ISN settings, but we'll do it manually because we need one player to stand still, and yeah, we need to end the game from the verse. Okay, so next is teleport prop. So this is the creative prop, and this is basically the prop where we want to teleport our player. I will show you how to create this prop, don't worry. Okay, next is editable and cinematic sequence, which is the cinematic sequence device. Okay, so this is basically our, with cinematic sequence device we will change the player camera to like showing on the player, like third person, or you know what I mean, like this view on the player. Okay, next is let's create a function. So first one will be on player joint. Okay, and this will require player or agent. I will go with player, return for now. Next will be the on eliminated, which require the elim result, which will be the elimination result. Elimination result. Okay, and this will be also type void and return, and I need to specify using Fortnite.com game. Okay, next is async on eliminated. Okay, which also require the elim result, and also type void equals return. Okay, and let's adapt our first function on player joint. So if Fortnite character, we need to get Fortnite character, so fc and colon equals player dot get Fort character, and this per brackets. Right, and we need to add using Fortnite.com character. So let's just copy this and paste it in our usings. Okay, and since we have Fortnite character, we need to Fortnite character eliminated event that subscribe to our all eliminated. So you know, basically when player gets eliminated, this function plays or fires basically. Okay, and on eliminated function we just need to spawn our async on eliminated, because and I also forgot to add suspense here. Yeah, need to add suspense so we can use the sleeps. So this is really async function, not just, you know, async by their name, but really async. So we can use sleep, and sleep is just like waits. So we saying to code to stop here and wait for like 2, 3, 4 seconds or whatever, even 1 millisecond. Okay, but we don't want to sleep here, so let's delete that. And okay, we need to create a variable all players, which will be the array of player. Okay, and next we need to loop through all player in the game, so we need to do players and get play space that get players. Okay, and we need to get player from that, so player and colon equals player from players, and also we need to get the Fort character from this, so Fortnite character fc and colon equals, and we can just basically get this line, copy and paste that. Okay, and here we need to check if fc, which is Fortnite character, is active. So basically what is active mean? Is active mean that he's alive, so he's not dead. Because if we can do it with that, we can't do it with that play space, that players, because it returns us even the spectating players, not the living ones. So we need to do it with custom array of players, and we need to check if this players is not dead, alive. And we need to add to this array a player that is alive. Okay, and we need to get length from our active players, so length active players, which will be the all players, or okay, maybe I'll just all players. Okay, so all players dot length. Oh, okay, I forgot to add the equal sign, sorry. Okay, and here we need to do if L, which is length all players, is equals to 1, so there's only one player alive. We need to get the prop transform, so prop transform, and this is the teleport, our teleport prop, that get transform. Okay, and we need to if Fortnite character, okay, if Fortnite character is elim result that eliminated character. Okay, but and we need to eliminating character, so we need to get the character that eliminate this player that fire this function. Okay, and we need to get the agent from this Fortnite character, so agent is a fc that get agent. Okay, so basically in Fortnite character we have function to get the agent from Fortnite character. Okay, and also if you don't know this function, you can control and left mouse button click, and you can see we have eliminated character and eliminated character. Okay, so the Fortnite eliminated from the match by eliminating character, for character that eliminated character from the match. Okay, but as you see, this is the optional. Yeah, here you have the question mark, so this is optional. So we also need to add question mark here, and we need to do it in, we need to get this Fortnite alert from if statement, because this can fail. Okay, and if Fortnite character teleport to and square brackets prop transform that translation, okay, and prop transform that rotation. Okay, so we're basically getting the translation and rotation. We can't do prop transform because, as you know, transform also contain the scale, and we currently can't change the scale of the player, so we only can apply rotation and translation to our teleport 2, like to Fortnite character. We can't do it. We can use only transform on the props, like creative prop, because we can change the scale of the prop, but not of the player. Okay, so we need to sleep for 0.3 seconds. So the player gets teleported, we need to wait that. And FC put in statics, and in our brackets we need to add statics arcs with these brackets like this. Okay, so basically put in statics mean that player can't move, can interact with anything. He can only move the camera, but he can't jump, move, or play emotes. Okay, and after that we want to cinematic sequence that play for everyone, not for only the player that left, so everyone, even the spectators, will see it. Okay, and we need to sleep our cinematic play time. Okay, and end game device activate for our agent. So basically this Fortnite character create agent. Okay, and also we need to cover another if statements. So after, like in the same tab, basically, because with tabulator you add something like that. Okay, let's bring back. If the same in the same line as you see here. So this is for after this if statement. So if this if statement fail, or even if it not fail, oh, okay, maybe go with else if. Else if all players is actually is less than 1. Okay, so this is, so basically is, for example, when 2 players kills each other at the same time, so this is less than 1. Okay, so we cannot really teleport any players to this animation, so you basically need to end the game. So sleep, for example, like 0.5 seconds, and if agents get play space and get players, and from index 0, so basically we just getting random player that will end the game, because in the end game device we need the agent, we need to provide the agent, so we're just getting the agent from index 0. You can automate it, you can randomize it, so it takes random one, but yeah. Okay, and that's it in the verse code. Oh no, also the onButton function. Okay, so we need to loop through all the players, so we can just basically get this for loop. Okay, and we need to spawn the fire the on player joint. Okay, and also get play space, that player added event that subscribe to our on player joint. Okay, so why we use on player joint twice? So this function applies only to players that join game in progress. So basically the game is, you know, players are shooting each other, you know, the game already started, so, and new player join in to the game, and not to the spectating mode, but you know, to the actual game, and he can shoot or whatever. So this function will fire up for him, like player added event, and this one will fire to players that already been in game before game starts, so maybe in some wait room or between rounds. Okay, so let's build our verse code and hop to UEFN. Let's put our verse device, and let's build our screen. Okay, so let's add floor tile. Okay, let's go. So let's get some floors. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's bring them up a little bit. Boom, boom. boom, boom, and maybe some walls. No, wall. We have some nice wall here. No, it's just no. So you know, there's nothing cool here. I know why we're looking for walls in the example, but okay, I will go with this one. Looks kinda cool, I guess. Okay, but this way, okay. And okay, let's add another one, and maybe add some doll. Sorry. Maybe this one, and this pelly one looks cool. Okay, let's change the scale to 3, maybe. Yeah. And this one to maybe 2.4. Okay, maybe 3. 4. Okay, that can be this doll can be bigger, actually. Okay, and I really like this whiteboards. I will put it also here. It's not like some haze or whatever. I know it's like, you know, for the example, so you can build whatever you want here. I will do it bigger, maybe. Yeah, that's good. Okay, let's not, you know, go too deep into this. And let's create the folder named BP, which is the blueprint, and also the cinematics. If you had already these folders on your map, that's cool. Let's open the blueprint one and create the blueprint class. And building prop, bp.teleport prop. Okay, let's open our blueprint. And let's add some spheres and change the scale to 0.1. This sphere will also be visible in the editor, so we actually know where player will be. So yeah, it's just, you know, nothing crazy. Okay, and also the collision presets, we need to change this to no collisions, okay, in the sphere one. And we need to go to our very top to the blueprint and change the hidden in game is equals to true. We need to hide, we don't want to see this prop in game, like as a player. Okay, and I will drop this prop to somewhere here. Yeah, looks good. And also I will change the rotation on the Z to -90. I think it will be the front. You can, you know, try to make this work for you, because it depends, you know, where the front is for you on your map for you. I think it will be -90 in the site I place it, but I may be wrong. I may be wrong. We'll, you know, check this out. I will go with -90. So yeah, we can check that. Okay, next is cinematics. So let's let's go here to our scene and let's add the camera. So let's clear this cube here with this plus and the cinematics, and here we have sign camera actor. Okay, let's add it to our map and let's bring it higher. Let's make it look to our player. Okay, maybe rotate it that way. Yeah, that's good. And I will change the current local focus, current focal length to like maybe 20. Yeah, 20 looks good. Okay, move it somewhere here. Okay, maybe I'll move these dolls so this whiteboard will be better visible for other players. And change the teleport prop to the center. Yeah, that sounds good. Okay, and let's see, maybe to the left a little bit. Okay, that sounds good. Okay, and in our cinematics we need to right mouse button click and find the cinematics and level sequence. I will name it sequence end game anim, or just without this anim because it's sequence, so I don't know why I call this anim. Okay, and we need to click on our sign camera actor and click add actor to sequencer and add sign camera actor. Okay, and here we see how it looks like. And maybe we can move it closer, and let's change that view to normal one. Okay, and let's actually move it closer, change the rotation, something like this, or I want this to be the same spot at this tube, like this sphere, sorry. So I will do with this, okay. And let's move it somewhere here. Okay, it's not centered, I see this somewhere, something is not centered. Maybe these dolls or this whiteboard, I know. Let's move this doll, actually, let's see. Maybe at the left, but I will go with this one. Yeah, somewhere here, sounds good. Okay, so since we have our cinematic, I think I added, yeah, but we need to add the transform at the beginning and the transform at the end. I don't think we need that, but I'll do it. I think, yeah, I'll do it. If you also want the animations, for example, like go somewhere else. Oh wait, does it change positions? Yeah. Okay, let's let's remove it, and let's click it again. Let's hit add. And actor to sequencer, add cinema. Okay, let's not move it. Okay, and add the transform at the beginning and the transform at the end. Let's save it. Also, you can manipulate with that. So at the beginning, you can make the transform of the camera somewhere here. Okay, so let's change that. Hit that little plus to up the keyframe, and we'll have that animation. I don't think it's clean, but we'll do it with animation. Okay, let's save that. And actually, I don't want to be here. Okay. Yeah, and don't worry about this camera. We can even move it, drag it down. It will automatically open. Yeah, change it here because we changed it transform. So basically, yeah, it's better to have that transform. Okay, and go to Fortnite, devices, and search for cinematic sequence device. Okay, let's place it here, and let's select our sequence that we just created. Visibility to everyone, and all the settings leave on default. Okay, let's go to our verse device. Okay, we need the endgame device, so let's search for endgame device, and I will do the end round, not end game, end round. I don't want to end the whole game, I want to only end the round. Okay, so let's select our endgame device, our teleport prop, and the cinematic sequence device. Okay, and also in the Island setting, I want to change the teams to free for all, yeah, and team size to be dynamic because it's free for all, so that doesn't change anything. Total runs to 100. Okay. Oh, let's save that. And the spawn limit to 1, so player can't actually spawn, you know, respawn multiple times. Okay, and let's open the session and test it out. I actually forgot to put some item spawner, so let's put it item spawner, just we can't, you know, shoot the other player to test it out. So let's set it up to 0 seconds and add some pump L5. Yeah, this should work, and initial weapon ammo to full. Okay, let's start the game and test it out. Okay, I get the pump, shoot, and boom. I get this full animation. As you see, I can only move that way, and the round, you know, stops. boom. And the round starts again. I shoot, oh, I shoot, and boom, I'm here in our cozy room. And everything works fine. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, learned something, found it helpful. If yes, you can leave a like and subscribe. I will really appreciate that. We hit 300 subscribers. I really appreciate this. And also, if you want code from this video or any other video on my channel, just join my Discord, link is in the description. It's totally free, you don't need to invite some friends or whatever, join anywhere. It's like, you know, join on Discord and you will find the code. So yeah, that was it in today's video, and see you guys in the next one.